Welcome to IELTS, your shortcut to smarter IELTS preparation. I am Ranjit Sandhu, and today we are exploring 5 deadly writing task 2 mistakes that almost every student makes. Stick around till the end of the video. I will reveal a band 9 essay structure you can start using today. Pause and guess the mistakes in the comments as we go. Let's see how many you catch. And don't forget to like and save this for revision. Mistake 1. Governments should provide free education. Can you spot the error? Modal verbs like should, must, and can are always followed by the base form of the verb. Don't use provides, use provide. The correct answer is governments should provide free education. Mistake 2. Plural mismatch. The advantages outweigh the disadvantage. Is there any error? The correct answer is the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. The plural subject advantages needs a plural complement disadvantages. Always check the agreement in comparison structures. Are these mistakes familiar? Drop a fire in the comments if you have made one before. Keep watching for that Band 9 template. Mistake 3. Repetitive grammar or weak sentence structure. Nowadays, people use technology because technology is helpful in daily life. What's wrong here? Avoid repetition. Use complex sentences and synonyms for better cohesion and coherence. The better version is people rely on technology as it simplifies daily tasks. Mistake 4. Repeating basic words like important hurts your IELTS score. Education is important because important skills help people get important jobs. Important, important, important. Repeating basic words. Try using crucial, vital, significant, and essential. Lexical resource is a major scoring factor. Show how variety boosts your vocabulary score. Mistake 5. Weak conclusion. Saying, in conclusion, I think it's good. End your essay with a clear, powerful summary. Better is free education reduces inequality and boosts growth. Never write a vague conclusion. Summarize your main idea with the clarity and strength. Avoid repeating the introduction or using an informal tone. Pro tip: start with in conclusion or to sum up, then restate your position with one supporting reason. Here is a quick recap. These 5 deadly IELTS writing task 2 mistakes that you can avoid. Ready for the band 9 structure? Here is a structure used by high scorers. Save this structure, use it every time. Wonderful band 9 essay using this? Comment essay please, and I will make a full breakdown video. You just saw 5 deadly IELTS mistakes, plus how to avoid them, and got a band 9 essay structure. What was your biggest mistake from this video? Drop it in the comments. Save this reel, tag a friend who is preparing for IELTS, subscribe and follow for more hacks like this. Next video, full band 9 essay breakdown coming soon. Don't miss it. Like, comment and save and tag your IELTS buddy.